So here's a tip, just the tip mind and only for a minute. Today's episode, changing lock cylinders in your Daytona or pretty much probably any other Chrysler car. First off, take your door completely apart. Step 2, flip this thingy out of the way. Step 3, going in here. Okay, so we're going to take a look here. There's our handle. We see this part here. This is the part that actually opens the door, and here's our lock cylinder. So those are our 2 rods that we got to disconnect before we can go and pull this guy out. Okay, so first the big one is I think I got a better view from here. Yeah, there we go. So he's like there. We're just gonna try to pry it with this flat. Gotta be gentle because it's cold and this is plastic. Here. Oh, almost got it. Yeah, there's probably enough room now that I can get in on the back side. Where's a better view? Here's a better view. Get in on the back side. And give it one of those. Okay? We got that there. Then we could probably reach in and pull that out. Okay, that's one. And then we gotta do the same thing with the lock cylinder. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna see if we can just get in on this side. I'm trying to feel here. I have no depth perception right now. Oh, yeah, there you go. Almost. Oh, took a little chunk out of it, but that's okay. Nope. Can I see through there? That'd be neat. Okay, so I'm going to keep working on getting that out, and then the next step will be taking this guy off. Okay, since we got that off, now to get that guy, oh look at that, it's an 11 mil with probably 6 or 7 inch extension. You can go less, evidently. It fits right through that hole right there. Once you get that off, then you're just gonna finagle this guy a little whiles, I think. Oops. Okay. Is there a trick? What don't I know? I mean, I could probably just fit a Phillips in there now. Let's see. Let's use a good Phillips this time. Oh, it's not long enough. That's a shame. What the shit? So I'm gonna keep playing with this for a little bit. Alright, so with a few wiggly wigglies, she'll eventually come out. You just gotta make sure that these arms from the backwards, you gotta make sure that, oh, here we go. That makes sense. You gotta make sure that this arm here is like this, because it'll wanna dangle down, and you can't pull it out if it's dangling down. You gotta move it to the side. And you give her a, just give her a whoop whoop. Okay, so two Felipes. Hold that guy in. And yeah. So we're gonna pop that out. Pop the new ones in. And Bob's your auntie. Okay, after you get it out, there's a collar thing right here. It just pops up and off. We're going to use that. Oh, it's hard to take off one hand. Oh, there it is. Hope I didn't just fuck up my T-top. Oops. So yeah, so this goes like this. Okay. Press it down a little bit. And you see how it's got this slot here? Well, that goes in that slot there. Oh, baby. Oh, look at that. Oh! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then you pop your screws back in, and junk is your auntie Bob's your dick.